What if adventure met precision without the premium price tag? Meet the Polar Grit X2, a smartwatch that dares to go where few can, blending rugged design, cutting-edge tech, and endurance in a sleek sub-$800 package. After months of anticipation, Polar's Grit X2 has finally landed in the US and Europe, ready to challenge the giants like Garmin's Fenix E and the Enduro 3. It's the spiritual sibling of the Grit X2 Pro, but at $200 less, it's designed for those who want pro-level performance without the pro-level price. At the heart of the Grit X2 lies a 1.29-inch AMOLED display, smaller than the Pros, yet sharper, boasting a crisp 454 by 454 pixel resolution. Encased in a 44.7mm stainless steel bezel, the watch merges strength with sophistication. Polar swaps the Pro's metal and biocomposite shell for durable plastic panels, striking a lighter balance between ruggedness and comfort. Inside, the Grit X2 mirrors much of its Pro counterpart, powered by a 275 MHz CPU with 37 MB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. It's not about raw power, it's about endurance and precision. Whether you're scaling peaks, logging miles, or testing limits, this watch tracks every heartbeat, every climb, every stride, flawlessly. The Grit X2's 310 mAh battery may be smaller than the Pros, but it still packs serious stamina. Up to 30 hours in performance mode, 90 hours in eco-training, and a full 7 days of everyday smartwatch use. With 50 meters of water resistance, it's ready for rain, rivers, or relentless sweat sessions. Polar doesn't hold back on intelligence. The Grit X2 retains ECG functionality, skin temperature monitoring, and advanced training metrics that transform your data into performance insight. Whether you're chasing podiums or personal bests, it's your adventure partner, tuned to your every move. Priced at $799.99, the Polar Grit X2 undercuts its $999 sibling while going head-to-head with the Garmin Fenix E and still coming in under the Enduro 3. Available only in night black, it's understated, bold, and built for explorers who demand reliability without compromise. Adventure is calling. The Polar Grit X2. Performance perfected for every terrain. Discover more at polar.com.